Hi, my name's Steve, and in this video I'll be giving you an overview of Nova. Nova is the first guided collaboration space for effective thinking. Nova is where you map out your thinking process, where you and your collaborators do your thinking, where you store your knowledge and access it, and where you make connections between the knowledge you already have. So right now we're on the projects page of this sample Nova workspace called Lighthouse. So let's start by opening this first project. This project was created by our team to design a new product. You can see that Clara is working on this project right now. When you open the project, you can see that it's divided by phases. For example, phase 1, research, and phase 2, ideation. And then inside each phase, we have sessions, tasks, documents, and more. And all these sessions are connected, creating a workflow, sending conclusions from one session to the next one, and adding date dependencies. This is similar to a process diagram, but it's fully interactive, and you can invite participants. You can also use the list view, which is more like an agenda. You can choose whichever works best for you. Either will help you guide your team, and in Nova, both views are interactive and real time. If we click into one of these sessions, for example, the interview findings session, we see at the top of the session all the resources, documents, and links your team needs to complete this section of their work and the steps they need to follow. As your team works through each step, they mark steps complete and progress moves forward. As you see, sessions help you capture everyone's ideas and feedback following a clear process which you define. Each step of a session can use a utility, which we call a resource, such as a whiteboard, notepad, multi-selector, file uploads and downloads, and more. Sessions can be time-boxed so that guests can only add answers between the dates you define. This structure helps keep teams accountable to dates and company processes. Keep in mind we have a full library of tools, card decks, and workflows your team can use for learning new methodologies and planning. Here, Nova pre-built workflows include full actionable project roadmaps that include sessions, tasks, and resources. You can find workflows for marketing strategy, social media strategy, branding, product design, product sprint, startup development, and more. You also have a free tool library of individual tools at all times. All of our tools will explain how to use them step by step and will provide the work environment you need to get things done, individually and as a team, so feel free to use this library to learn about new methodologies. Last, you have card decks. These decks can be used for brainstorming and research, and you can also create your own. All card decks can be opened inside a whiteboard, and cards can be placed on the board. Any tool or workflow template being used can be edited at any time to adapt to the project that your team is working on, and you can change your company processes that everybody uses on the fly. This makes it very easy for managers to adapt processes and sessions to each specific project or client, but keeping basic structures as templates. Learn more about Nova at novatools.org. Contact us for a consultation to integrate Nova into your company by emailing us at contact@novatools.org.